This town is located near the Alazani Valley in city Khareli, and it's a cut of the Great Caucasian Mountain. Inside is a 15 tunnels, 2 is a main tunnel and 13 perpendicular connection tunnel. One main tunnel is 800 meters longer, but perpendicular connection tunnel is 500 meters longer. The total length of this tunnel is 7 kilometers and 700 meters. Inside is a stable temperature over 14 degrees, winter and summer is unchangeable. Humidity is 70% and tunnel has a natural ventilation system. It's ideal conditions to save aged wines. In first main tunnel, now we save more than 26,000 collectioner aged bottled wines in India. But another main tunnel which is similar like this, but it's an industrial part of our company, we save more than 6 million liter wine intakes. Tunnel's building started 1959 and it's opened 1962 World Wine and Waste Congress. But whole complex construction was finished 1965. Tunnel was built Metro Construction Company in same company who built Tbilisi subway, Moscow subway, Kiev subway, also Khareli tunnel, and it's already 54 years old. Winery Khareba, our company, by this place 2006 years, and our company's oldest wine is 14 years older because we are a really young company. Now we can look and I'll show you some interesting things on the way.
Would you propose that just go?
Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce the real face of our tunnel. Our company staged this model to see our visitors how hard it is to build tunnel like this. We know that it's connecting marble, granite, clay. The main reason why it's connecting marble and granite, it was built so German time and they built these tunnels with dynamite and bombs. They use it. Now we're connecting first perpendicular connection tunnel. Can you imagine here is a 13 similar like this tunnel and the 2 like this tunnel. Maybe everyone sees this glass pipe which is the after of this tunnel. These glass pipes used in the past to transport the wine. But at this one we don't use it because it's a hard to cleaning inside, and when we wash them inside space reapproach we change the quality of our wine. And here is the first perpendicular connection tunnel. All barrels, which may be a layer company, consists 225 liter wine. Winery Khareba use only one time in premium classes wines and brandy also. At this moment they are empty, only for show. On this wall you can see our awards and awards. Totally Winery Khareba have more than 200 awards. I'll explain that Winery Khareba is the young but one of the huge company in Georgia. We are owner more than 1,000 hectare land, have 2 wine factory, 1 brand factory, 2 5-star hotel. Our tourism zone which consists this tunnel and the upstairs of this tunnel, 58 meters up. We have a premium qualities restaurant which name is the Khareba. Company have 25 varieties grapes and we produce 50 varieties wines, both of technologies, classical European style wine and Georgian local Quebec style wine. Also, Winery Khareba produce sparkling wine, brandy, honey, water snow, new mineral water which name is called Clean Twain Rosé, and this company is first in Georgia who produce grape seeds oil. 100 kilo only seeds produce 10 liter oil. It's a cold press method how to produce this oil. It's a very healthy product, consists so many vitamins like omega-3, omega-6, B vitamin, A vitamin and antioxidants. Ideal for skin and hair. This consists a lot of A vitamin. It's our tasting hall. In the end of this hall we have a museum which we see together. Here finish also our tour. Okay, follow.
Please.
Okay guys, here is our ethnographical museum. Here is a little bit of our country's wine history. At this moment I'll explain Kurdish wine, how Georgian people produce our wine. Follow me please. Okay, guys, it's a fabric. Curry is a big clay-based pot where Georgian people produce our wine. When we start to serve inside fresh grapes and juice to produce our wine, it's important to wash curry, clean curry inside. This is the techniques how we wash curries. First, when curry is small like this, the whole curry like me is the one person, and they have a special brush which they use to start with. Here is a skin of cherry trees pieces placed together, and with cold water we wash curry outside like this. But when curry is bigger, which contains more than 800 liter wine, inside is a one person like this and wash curry inside. When they want to take out Chuchkhela, use Chuchkhela. In English language it means two-hander because we use two hands to take out the Chuchkhela. After 3 or 4 days, sometimes it will be more time, curry is dry and we can serve inside fresh grapes and juice. We close curry hermetic with PL stones like these two curries, but time to time when alcohol fermentation starts, we mix fresh grapes and the juice. Alcohol fermentation even in 1 week, it's an unusual thing, but sometimes happens. And maximum is 6 months longer, we stay together, fresh grapes and juice. When fermentation finished in curry, these fresh grapes, skin seeds is slowly going down, and we know that fermentation finished, we separate it. Take out these fresh grapes and make the distillation to produce Chacha. And then we want to take out wine, we use varieties. It's a wild pumpkin. It's usually grown west part of Georgia. One side is open. We take inside, and when it's full of, we take out slowly and remove this wine in a glasses or jugs or something that wants to save. They are same too. Both of them is a pumpkins. Just size are different. This size of pumpkins we use when curry is full of the wine, and this size of pumpkins we use when curry is half. Remember, until the fermentation finished in curry, we separate fresh grapes and juice. These leftover fresh grapes we use to produce Chacha. Everyone knows what is that, yeah? That's right. Hangover?
Yeah, I'm great about it.
Okay, it's a distillation, helps us to produce Chacha. Chacha is a variety of this strong spirit. It's similar like a grab our schnapps or vodka, but we produce with fresh grapes, leftover fresh grapes, which we take out in a curry. Here is a fireplace. Inside is a fresh grapes. Start boiling, and on these tubes comes steam. Here is a cold water and little tank where we drop collecting Chacha. Winery Khareba's alcohol percent is 45 degrees, but when it's homemade, it's a more high level of alcohol percent than 45. 60, 65. I tried 75 degrees last week. Yeah, I'm okay. It's like a bomb, but okay, here is our last exponent. Name is Satsnakheli. This Satsnakheli is more than 100 years older and made by Georgian oak. Inside is a 3 or 4 person and crushed grapes their feeds. One side it's open and just will go in gravy in a clay pot. And then when they finish this process, take out these pressed grapes and save in curry several times longer for alcohol fermentation. At this moment, we still use curries. They are unchangeable techniques. We change only these things, Satsnakheli. In our factories, we have special modern machines which helps us to crush grapes without feeds. And but when we want to make old Georgian tradition in new life, we still use them with our visitors outside. Vintage time is September and October. Next year, if you have a free time, you can join us. And about Kurdish wine. Kurdish wine, guys, it's only one type of grapes. It's a full body and more Tanzanian wine than European style wine. White wine have an amber color, golden color, orange color. This color gives skin contact to our wines. It's always dry because in a clay pot in underground we cannot stop alcohol fermentation. It's impossible to do. And always remember, it's a huge difference of course in the European style wine. Chorus wine, it means that we use whole grapes, skin, seeds, body, fillings inside. And the European style wine, it means that they use only grapes, juice for fermentation. They can control everything. They can stop fermentation process and produce semi-sweet wine. They also can mix another wines and produce another new types of wine. But in Khweri, like these varieties, it's impossible to do. It's another reason why chorus wine is always more expensive than European style wine. Okay, if you have questions or want to explain something, I'm here and I can explain again.
No question?
We're clear.
You're a good explainer.
I'm so happy. Okay, some of these groups members have a wine tasting. Who is it? You guys, yeah? Okay. Thank you so much to visit us. Nice to be in Georgia. Best wishes. Hope to come back here to try more wine or something like this. Or
Yes. This is just Georgian bread, cheese, and this is seed oil. So grape seed oil.
okay, you can take a bread or cheese, push inside and taste. Put this in oil. Yeah, and try. Guys, here is your first wine. Grape's name isn't Satsnakheli. It's a best part of Georgian grapes. Harvest time is 2014. Alcohol percent is at 12.0. 6 months longer we stay together. Press grapes and juice for fermentation. After that we separate. We use 25-30% of pressed grapes when we produce touristic wine. Yeah, it's one of the interesting wine that you should find inside lots of flavor. Okay, I'll be here soon.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
You drink so fast.
Why? Okay. You should drink like Georgian.
Yeah, it's the Georgian style.
Oh my god, super cool. Okay, another our wine is semi-sweet wine. Grape's name is Kakheti, but wine name is Alazani Valley. It's a natural semi-sweet wine. Does not consist sugar. 11.0 is the alcohol percent.
11.
Yeah, 11.0 is a less.
So you can open up. You can just roll it here. No, I'll teach you.
I'm sorry.
I'll teach you.
Yeah, this one.